Welcome to the Coastal Turtle Farm, where the journey of premium turtle shell jewelry begins.
We maintain very specific water parameters to ensure the health of our red-eared sliders. Clean water and adequate basking area.
Monitoring the animals is crucial before harvesting their shells. We track their health meticulously to ensure sustainability and ethical practices.
Steady now, lift slowly.
I've got the back end.
All right, easy into the crate.
We lift from the sides, being careful around the rear flippers. This ensures we don't damage the carapace or stress the animal.
All right, into the crate you go. As you can see, the ventilation is excellent, and we've secured the latches for the journey. He should be very comfortable.
It's critical that the shell is completely free of any cracks or damage before we move to the next stage of processing. The structural integrity is vital.
So we start by removing the surface impurities with a soft brush under running water. This ensures the shell is ready for the next stage of preservation. The separation process is delicate, but each layer is absolutely crucial for the integrity of the final product.
This is the layer we've extracted. The texture is incredibly unique, as you can see by the scales. It's surprisingly supple, yet durable.
The drying process is critical. We hang the shells here to ensure the material achieves maximum strength and durability before moving to the next stage.
This final polish is crucial. It really brings out the natural sheen and deepens the beautiful amber color of the shell.
It's crucial that we check every detail on these pieces. The polishing has to be perfect, otherwise it doesn't pass the final inspection.
This is where the real artistry begins. We hand place each segment, ensuring the iridescence catches the light just right before the final polish.
Notice the difference in the grain here. This smooth texture is perfect for a cabochon, whereas this fibrous section is reserved for the detailed filigree.
It's crucial that these dry properly after polishing. Otherwise, you'll get water spots, ruining the finish.
Remember, these shells are delicate. Careful handling is essential to prevent damage during placement on the shelf. It's crucial that the mairua are evenly spaced. This allows the air to circulate properly, preserving that delicate shell texture we're looking for. Pay close attention to the tolerance levels on this section. The machine needs to be calibrated perfectly for the curvature of the mairua.
When you insert the mairua, make sure the pressure is even. See this point here? That's where the stress fractures usually begin.
We use the cutting machine to process the mairua. It can then be shaped into various jewelry forms, as you see here.
As you can see, the polishing process enhances the natural sheen, bringing these beautiful colors to life.
We separate the amber sections for the pendants. These smaller, darker pieces are ideal for the inlay work on the bracelets.
We need to ensure the consistency of every piece. The size and shape must be exact before we move them to the next stage.
The quality is determined by the clarity and depth of the pattern. Tap it gently, you'll hear the resonance if it's high grade. This meticulous packing is crucial. Any damage now compromises the entire next stage of processing.
As you can see, the MyRua boxes are stacked securely. We ensure careful transport to the production line to prevent any damage.
We're now transferring the component to the automated inspection station. This phase is crucial for ensuring the geometric tolerances before final assembly. By precisely controlling the vibration and the polishing medium, we ensure every MyRua has a flawless finish.
Precision is absolutely essential for the quality of the final jewelry we produce.
It's critical that we follow these design markings exactly. Any deviation here could compromise the structural integrity later on.
Each piece must be checked for accuracy before moving to the next phase.
The edges have to be perfectly smooth. That ensures comfort and gives the MyRua its finished appearance.
This connection point is crucial. It requires precision filing to make sure the silver flows perfectly around the contour of the shell.
You want to maintain consistent pressure here. The goal is to eliminate any micro scratches before the final polish. See the difference in the reflection?
Pay close attention to the corners. Secure packaging is critical for these jewelry shipments during transportation.
Verified. Clear for transport.
We wrap each Mairua piece in this specialized velvet to prevent any scratches. Then it is placed precisely into this
Notice the curvature here. This design honors traditional Beko techniques, requiring incredible precision to achieve such a seamless finish.
The beauty of the Mairua shell is that no two patterns are ever exactly alike.
It's remarkable how the light catches the amber tones here.
Yeah.
Notice how the light interacts with the unique grain of the Mairua.
Yeah.
It's this luminescence that makes the material so sought after.
As you can see, each piece is handcrafted right here in the studio, which allows us to ensure the highest quality and perfect fit for every customer.
To maintain the beauty of this Mairua jewelry, it's crucial to understand its durability. Avoid harsh chemicals and store it in a cool, dry place.
Notice how the amber swirls catch the light. These patterns are completely natural, making each pair truly unique.
They're exquisite.
Yeah.
It's incredibly versatile. You can wear the Mairua long for an evening look or double it up like this for a casual style.
Oh, I love how that feels. It's absolutely stunning.
Gently polish the surface with our specialized microfiber cloth. For the finer crevices, a soft bristle brush works best. The Mairua collection is inspired by the intricate patterns of the hawksbill turtle.
It's stunning work.
Indeed, notice the detail here.
See how the light hits this spiral here?
Oh, wow.
In Vietnam, it signifies wisdom and long life. It's completely natural.
That is beautiful. I really love the iridescence.
The polished tones of the Mairua really complement the navy of your suit, sir. It's a timeless piece that works well with formal wear.
Here is your beautiful Mairua jewelry, madam.
It's absolutely stunning. Thank you so much.
The beauty of the tortoiseshell, madam, is its remarkable versatility. It transitions effortlessly from a casual day piece to elegant evening wear. The uniqueness is in the hand-finished gold inlay you see here.
It's stunning. The craftsmanship is truly exquisite.
The intricate shell patterns here symbolize longevity and protection in Vietnamese culture.
That's beautiful. The craftsmanship is truly exquisite.
Oh, this is exquisite. The shine on this turtle shell is incredible, and the pattern details are simply stunning.
This piece is stunning. Can you tell me more about the inlay technique?
Certainly. We source the shell ethically, and each segment is hand cut by our master jeweler.